Okay, so welcome everyone to this wonderful grammar session. And for few days, we are doing conditional sentence. Okay, so conditional sentence. What does this relate to? Conditional sentence means if this happens, then that happens. अगर ये होता है, तो ये होता है. अगर ये होता है तो ये हो सकता है. So there is a condition. If this happens, then this may happen or this will happen. Okay, so these are called conditional sentence. We so many times we say that if I would have got uh, you know 10 hands, I could have done lot of job at the same time. So these are called conditional sentence. So we started with conditional sentence. We started with type 0. Okay. So in type 0, we talked about that it talks about, agar ye ho, to ye hota hai. If this happens, then this happens. So basically conditional 0, it talks about facts. It talks about facts. If this happens, then this happens. For example, अगर ये हो तो ये होता है. For example, let's see the example. So, this condition, the first sentence is the condition, the second sentence is the result. Let's see some example. See this sentence. अगर आप सच बोलते हो, हर कोई आपसे आपकी सराहना करता है. The English sentence is, if you speak the truth, everyone appreciates you. Everyone appreciates you. So this is called type 0. This is type 0 sentence. So it is about true facts. Like, if you eat more, you become overweight. So this was type 0. So what we are doing exactly in type 0? In type 0, we are starting with if or when. The next sentence, we are adding present simple or present indefinite. You can see this, you eat more, you eat more. And the last sentence is you become overweight. So it is also present simple and present indefinite. So in type 0 conditional sentence, we start with if or when, then we go for present simple or indefinite. And then again, the next sentence, the result is always present simple and indefinite. Next, we started with type 1, conditional sentence type 1. In this sentence, we talked about अगर ये हो या करे या करेंगे तो वो होगा या हो सकता है. Earlier क्या था वो पहले वाला? The earlier was if this happens, then this happens. But here it is if you do this, then this will happen. ये जरूर होगा. If you do this, then this may happen. ये हो सकता है. Okay, so it talks about possible condition. Possible condition. ये अगर हो तो ये हो सकता है. For example, so yes, first sentence is condition, second sentence is result. अगर आप अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते हो, आप पास करोगे. If you study well, you will pass the exam. Definitely you will pass the exam. So that is a possible, right? The next sentence, suppose. So this is the condition and the second one is the result. Suppose the sentence, अगर आप पार्टी में नहीं आते हो, शायद मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूंगा. If you don't come to party, I might not talk to you anymore. So what we are doing, we will see here. In type 1, we are starting with if. Then we are adding present simple or indefinite. And then we are going for will, may, can, might, could. These are the verbs we are using. Suppose the sentence is, if I have 10 lakhs by next year, I may buy a car. I may buy a car. So first sentence is present. The second sentence will start with will, may, can, might, could. Suppose the next sentence, suppose we see the next sentence, if you are with me, I could win the world. If you are with me, I could win the war. So guys, still now we have talked about type 0 and type 1. And I request everyone, now please concentrate, participate. I might unmute you and I'll talk to you. And those people, in our previous 2 classes, we talked about type 0, type 1. If you have missed that, then you please WhatsApp me, okay? Or you write down in the recreation group. I will send you the video link, okay? But for people, those who are starting today, they have not done the previous classes, no problem, because today is a unique day. So there's no link between 0, 1, 2. So there's no problem. We are starting from new today. Okay. And today our topic is conditional sentences type 2. So here, let's see what we get. अगर ये होता in past, अगर ये होता मतलब हुआ नहीं है, it didn't happen. अगर होता तो वो हो जाता या हो पाता, हो जाता या हो पाता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इंग्लिश में अगर मैं करता हूं, इफ आई डिड दिस, if I did this or if I did that, I would or I could get this. If I did this, अगर मैं ये करता तो शायद वो होता या हो जाता या मैं कर पाता. I think if I show you the example, you will understand. Agar ye hota. So the first sentence is something which is the conditions is something, past, related to past. And it is hypothetical. It didn't happen. ये हुआ नहीं है, not real. ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. अगर ये होता. Okay. Imaginary. We are talking about something which is imaginary. And the result is not impossible, मतलब possible. पॉसिबल रिजल्ट है, मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है. अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा हो सकता था, ऐसा हो सकता था, मतलब पॉसिबल कुछ हो सकता था. ओके, लेट्स सी द सेंटेंस. आई थिंक दैट विल बी मोर क्लियर फॉर यू. अगर मैं इंडिया में होता तो इस्कॉन मंदिर जाता. अगर मैं इंडिया में होता तो इस्कॉन मंदिर जाता. Okay, can anybody try? Anyone? I'll unmute you if you raise your hand, then I'll unmute you. Okay, let's say Anita Botra. Anita Botra, tell me.
If I were in India, मैं जाता. I would go to ISKCON मंदिर.
Okay, again repeat.
If I were in India,
okay,
I would go to ISKCON मंदिर.
I would
Mandir
go to
temple.
ISKCON Mandir. Okay,
Temple.
well tried, well tried. Okay, अगर मैं इंडिया में होता, अच्छा, you are not wrong, you are still right, I would say, because I have written in this way. If I lived in, अच्छा ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्यों लिखा मैंने, sorry. If I lived in India, okay, if I lived in India, I would visit the ISKCON temple. Okay, so this will be India, sorry. So it will be India. So you should also write India there. Okay, if I lived in India, but even what Anita ji said, that is also right. If I were in India, that is also right. If I lived in India, I would visit the ISKCON temple. So it talks about the, and the something which could have happened, जो हुआ नहीं. Okay, so but अगर होता तो मैं जाता. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. I think that will make the things more clear. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. अगर मुझे 2 करोड़ की लॉटरी लगती, मैं मर्सिडीज S560 ले पाता. Okay, can anybody try this? I would go to you. Yes, let's go to Komal. Yeah, Komal, you want to say?
यस सर, अगर मुझे 2 करोड़ की लॉटरी लगती, मैं मर्सिडीज 5560 लेता. इफ आई वन द लॉटरी ऑफ 2 करोड़ रुपीज, आई कुड बाय मर्सिडीज 5560.
Absolutely. Very nice sentence. Very nice sentence. If I won a lottery of 2 crores, I could buy Mercedes S50. Please try to observe the sentence. What kind of sentences are there? Because the type of sentence is almost same. The type of verbs that we are using, it almost same. Okay, now let's go to the next sentence. So yes, condition and result. अगर मेरा दोस्त इंग्लिश बोलना सीखता, उसे ये नौकरी मिल जाती. Yes, Chandana.
If my friend, okay, if my friend learn to speak English, he will get this job. No, he would get this job.
He would get this job. Okay. Again repeat, Chandana.
If my friend learn to speak English, he would get this job.
Okay. Let's see. But I would say your sentence is almost correct only. If my friend learned to speak English, almost same, eh? He would get this job. He would get this job. He would get this job. Absolutely. Absolutely. Any questions? If you have, then you can raise your hand. I can talk to you. Any question? No question?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in some places we are using would and in some places could, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, when I'm making sentence, I'm getting where I should use would and could, but I don't know the logic, sir, where I should use would and could.
Okay. You know, so many times I'll tell you, so many times we say I would, and so many times I say I could. Like whenever we say मैं कर पाता, there is a capacity. There's a question of capacity. I could have. ये हो पाता, then would is okay. But when you say मैं कर पाता, I could have done that. Okay, so I could do that. Means there's a talk. We talk about the capacity of a person. I could do that. Okay. In Hindi, अगर मैं बोलूं, where you say, you know, हो पाता, you know, suppose if again I just want to go back, I'll tell you here. Here we talked about it basically. Just a minute. Okay, हो जाता and हो पाता. हो पाता and हो जाता. Normally when we say हो जाता, we use would, and when we say हो पाता, we say could.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
let's go back to the next sentence. And the next sentence is, okay, this we have already done. Okay, now let's go for the next sentence. अगर मैं मैनेजर होता, मैं अपने एम्प्लॉय के साथ कभी ऐसा बर्ताव नहीं करता. कभी नहीं करता. This time it is in negative. अगर मैं मैनेजर होता, मैं अपने एम्प्लॉय के साथ कभी ऐसे बर्ताव नहीं करता. Okay, let's go to Ramya. Ramya, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. If I were a manager, I would never behave like मैं एम्प्लॉय के साथ कभी ऐसा बर्ताव. I would never behave like this with my employees. If I were a manager, I would never behave like this with my employees.
Absolutely right. If I were a manager, I wouldn't behave, or I would not behave. It's all the same. I wouldn't behave with my employees like this. Very nice. I'm so happy to see everyone. You know, ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब पढ़ के बैठे हैं आज एकदम ready. Sir, you ask and I'll deliver. You know, you people are so ready mentally. Very happy. Okay, so we are not using any then. This is the format of the sentence. Guys, this is the format of the sentence and you cannot change the format. आप कोई दूसरी चीज यहाँ पे ऐड नहीं कर सकते थे कि then or that is the reason. No, you cannot add anything. The number of verb will be constant. It will not change. The pattern will be almost same. If I were a manager, I wouldn't behave with my employees like this. Absolutely. Okay. अगर मैं अपने सपनों को importance देता, मैं एक सफल businessman हो पाता. Yes, Rupesh, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If I given importance to my dreams.
If I have given.
If I had given.
If I had given, okay.
I had given importance to my dream, I would be a successful businessman.
I would be a successful businessman. Okay. Is there anybody who want to speak in a different way? Ushashi, you want to speak?
Yeah, actually, before telling that, I have a query.
Okay.
That why can't I make the sentence in such way that condition I can come into the previous one? Like I would be means I could be a good businessman if I had a dream.
Yeah. That is possible. That is possible. You can exchange it. Condition and result, you can exchange it. That's fine. Problem is not that. Problem is what will be the sentence. That is possible, Ushashi.
Okay.
That is possible. So what will you say in this case, Ushashi, this sentence?
If I dreamt, if I give importance to my dream, I could be a successful businessman.
I could be a successful businessman. So, okay. The second sentence seemed right, but the first sentence there is some issue. The second sentence is right. Can anybody add some?
In Bengali, what is the exact means?
Okay, in Bengali में इसका मतलब होता है कि যদি আমি নিজের স্বপ্নটাকে একটু ইম্পর্টেন্স দিতাম, একটু রেসপেক্ট করতাম, তাহলে আমি হয়তো আজকের ডেটে একটা বিজনেসম্যান হয়ে যেতাম.
If I gave importance to my dream, I could be a successful businessman.
Absolutely right. Yes, if I give importance to my dreams, I could become a successful businessman. Absolutely right, Ushashi. See, it has a format and we have to follow the format. And very good thing Ushashi has said, you know, we can even swipe it. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, we can also say I could become a successful businessman if I give importance to my dreams. So we can use in both the ways. Okay, result first, then condition, not a problem at all. So what exactly the pattern? We have to understand the pattern of the sentence. So if I see the pattern of the sentence, okay, we'll go for, okay, you can see this. We are starting the sentence with if, and then we are speaking the past simple or past indefinite sentence. And after that, we are adding would and could. We are adding would and could. So this is the format. So if के बाद जो sentence होगा, the next sentence will be in past simple or past indefinite. Simple sentence like I were a manager, I give importance. These all are past sentence. I would or could. You can use, suppose the example, if I had iPhone 12, I wouldn't show off. I wouldn't show off. Try to understand the sentence. अगर मेरे पास iPhone 12 होता, मैं बिल्कुल show off नहीं करता. I wouldn't show off. So you can say would also, you can say could also. So here would is appropriate. So we have mentioned here would. So type, you know, last time what happened, Rupesh, I had. Okay, so last sentence that you said, Rupesh, you added had there. So that is the reason it was not right, because we cannot add any had in this sentence. We have to use only one verb in the first sentence and two verbs in the next sentence. Okay, let's see the next sentence. Suppose the sentence is, if I tried speaking English at IDQ, I could speak in English. If I tried speaking English at IDQ, अगर मैं IDQ में रहते हुए इंग्लिश में बात करने की कोशिश करता, I could speak in English. मैं इंग्लिश बोल लेता या मैं बोल पाता. If I tried speaking English at IDQ, I could speak in English. If you have any question, you can write down in the chat box, or you can raise your hand. Suppose the next sentence. Okay, the next sentence, let me ask you so that okay, next sentence, please listen me. You might you can try. अगर आप सब मुझ पे भरोसा करते, please listen this sentence in Hindi. अगर आप सब मुझ पे भरोसा करते, तब आप लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम को फेस नहीं करना पड़ता. तब आप लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं फेस करना पड़ता. Okay, so yes, yeah, Neelam, you would like to speak?
Yes, sir. In your sentence, two verb is there, na? First line. In first sentence, two verb is there.
नहीं, first sentence तो if के बाद जो conditional sentence, there will be one verb only.
But sir, in your sentence, two verb is there, na?
मैंने जो अभी sentence बोला,
नहीं, that is written sentence.
written sentence तो मैंने आपको दिखाया ही नहीं.
No sir, previous अभी इसके पहले जो आपने दिखाया उसमें
दो sentence, दो verb था.
Yes sir.
Okay, just a minute. Let me see दो verb. Okay, if I tried speaking English at IDQ, I could speak in. अच्छा. This speaking, again, I'm telling you, this speaking is not a verb. This speaking is not a verb. This is gerund. Okay, it looks like verb.
Sir, अगर ये last में होता तो gerund होता ना सर, ये तो बीच में है, middle में.
नहीं, यहाँ पे हमेशा दिमाग में रखिए, always remember in with you that one sentence will always have one action denoting sentence, one action denoting verb. एक बार आपने tried लगा दिया, tried is a verb. After that, there will be no verb. Always remember, one you have used tried, the action verb has already placed. Tried is an action verb. एक action verb के बाद और कोई action verb नहीं आएगा. You cannot place any other action verbs. So this sentence, speaking is not a verb. Speaking is a gerund. Speaking English at IDQ. Speaking English at IDQ, it's a part of ROP. This is not the part of verb.
Okay sir, but that is very difficult for us to understanding.
हाँ, the more you practice ना, वो आप समझ जाओगे. Tried is the verb here. अब मेरा जो sentence है उसका आंसर दीजिए आप. अगर आप लोग सब मुझ पे भरोसा करते, तो आपको ये प्रॉब्लम को फेस नहीं करना पड़ता.
If you all were believe me,
If
then
you all were believed me.
believe me,
Okay.
then you didn't face to that problem.
अच्छा, ये सब मतलब आप अपने ही बना लिए, डिडंट भी लगा दिया, दो वर्ब ऐड कर दिया और 4-5 ऐड और हो जाता. Okay, let's go to Ritu Chakraborty.
If you all trusted me or trusted on me, sir?
Trusted me.
Trusted me, then you would not
Then
face
will
this.
not come. Then will not
Oh.
come.
You would not face this kind of problem.
You would not face that problem. Absolutely right. Absolutely. See, you just have to follow the pattern. If you follow the pattern, you're safe.
Formula.
Absolutely. The formula. You just follow the formula, you will make it. You will simply make it. Let's see the sentence. Even I have seen so many sentences mentioned in the chat box also. If you all trust me nahi hoga Shilpa. First sentence should be in past. Okay, suppose Surinder has written, if you all believe me, you could not face this problem. यहाँ पे could not नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे would not होगा. Try to understand. Okay, we are not talking about capacity here. If you all trusted me, you all wouldn't face this problem. I can place it in this way, but Ritu is absolutely right. She followed the whole pattern, the formula. It's very simple formula. The first you start with if, second will be past simple or indefinite. So it is indefinite, and last you cannot use did. Somebody use did. You can only use would and could and the mother form. You cannot use anything else than this. Okay, let's go for the next one. Let's see the sentence. What is the sentence? Okay, अगर मेरा भाई अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता, उससे अच्छे मार्क्स आ सकते थे. It talks about capacity. It talks about capacity. अगर मेरा भाई अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता, उसे अच्छे नंबर आ सकते थे. Okay, Shilpa, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
If my brother learn English, then he is not face the problem.
इंग्लिश की बात ही नहीं किया मैंने, सिंपली बोला अगर मेरा भाई अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता.
If my brother learn,
Okay, आप स्टडी बोल सकते हैं, स्टडी.
then उसके बाद क्या है? He could get good marks.
Okay, very good. Ritu Sinha has also written, if my brother studied well, he could get good marks. Jagruti Chothani said, if my brother studied well, he could get good marks. ये तो पूरा copy हो गया पूरा. Ritu Sinha and Komal Goel, Jagruti also, if my brother studied well, he would get. अच्छा, यहाँ पे would, Jagruti ने would लगाया. Okay, चलो. At least it is good that you now that your sentences are matching. It means you are simply following the rules, nothing else. Absolutely right. Very nice. But in this case, see, the best part is if you use would also, your sentence will not be wrong. The best part is this. But यहाँ पे capacity, मेरा भाई कर लेता. It talks about मेरी भाई की capacity. Whenever we talk about capacity, we talk could. Okay, so always remember that. Yes, absolutely right. So guys, let's see this. So if my brother studied well, he could get better marks. Absolutely right. Ekdam copy paste what you people have written and what I have written. And guys, this is not a translation. This we are using Hindi language as a sentence to understand the type of the sentence. But you see, our sentences are almost same. Let's go for the next. Okay, so now the time has come for the quiz. Pehle padhai, fir exam, and then marks. So let's see how good you are, how expert you are in this. I will give you 10 questions. You will be writing your answer. Don't cheat. Don't Google your answer. Because this is your exam. Where is your level after how much you have understood Okay. And after that, you have to share your score. Let's go. The first question, and yes, all the answers should go as per type 2. As per type 2. Let's go ahead. Number 1. You have to find out this sentence is right or not as per type 2. As per type 2. If she studied hard, she wouldn't face the failure. She wouldn't face the failure. Okay, if any question, we will do it after this test only. Right now, focus on the test. Okay, I believe you have all mentioned the answer now, and please don't write in the chat box. Please write in your copy. Please write in your copy. Let's go for number 2. If you listened to your father, you could learn many life lessons from him. If you listened to your father, you could learn many life lessons from him. Okay, so now let's go for the next sentence. Yeah, you have to fill the blank with the correct form of verb, live and save. If I dash money during my initial professional career, I could dash life more freely. Okay, just follow type 2 rules. I really want everyone to get full marks. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Number 4. The verbs are listen, would, and could. Out of 3, you have to write 2. If we all dash teacher's grammar lesson more attentively, we get better marks during the grammar quiz. Okay, so I believe you have done this. Now let's go for the next. Number 5. There are 2 verbs, became and practice. Okay, so I believe you have already done this. Let's go for the next, number 6. If this sentence is right or not. If you had not spent through credit cards during your marriage, you would save quite a good amount of money. Spent through credit card. You would save quite a good amount of money. Okay, so let's go for the next sentence. If I had a better laptop, I would have shown audience better animations. As per type 2, is this sentence right or not? If I had a better laptop, I would have shown audience better animations. Wonderful sentence. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. The question number 8. There are two verbs, surviving and got. If she dash proper medical care, she could dash. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Sentence number 9. It's coming before you, and yes, relinquish and succumb. I believe you have seen these words somewhere in your life. Okay, succumb and relinquish. Copy idhar udhar mat karna. Focus on the quiz. Yes. Acha sentence hai. If she dash her strong emotions on time, she wouldn't dash to depression. बहुत ही अच्छा sentence है. Wonderful sentence. If you would have attended my vocab session, the meaning should be clear to you. Okay, let me tell you the meaning also. Relinquish matlab to give up something in your life, to leave something, कुछ छोड़ना अपने life में. And succumb matlab और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाना. Succumb, to lose control, succumb. Okay, we are left with only last number 10. Okay, number 10 is coming on your screen. If he got the right diagnosis on time, he wouldn't gone through excruciating nights. Excruciating means painful. Excruciating nights means painful nights. Excruciating nights. It means painful nights. If he got the right diagnosis on time, अगर उसको सही diagnosis हो जाता, he wouldn't gone through excruciating nights. उसे pain से गुजरना नहीं पड़ता. Okay, so I believe you all have done it. Now the answer time, and I would love to go and interact directly with you with the right answer. So let's go for answer, and plus for every answer you will be getting 1 marks. Okay, and yes, थोड़ा मजा करते हैं, थोड़ा सा ना minus mark भी करेंगे. For 1 mistake you will lose 1 marks. Okay, for 1 mistake you will lose 1 mark, and for correct answer 1, then we'll come to the final answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have the first sentence and type 2 this. So I want to ask Chitra Dugar. Yes, do you feel this sentence is right or wrong?
Yes, it is right. As per type of 2, it is right.
It is right. So let's see, computer G, is it a right sentence? Absolutely right. This sentence is absolutely right. So if you have done it right, then please put +1 or -1. Okay, let's go for the next one. The next one is this: if you listen to your father, you could learn many life lessons. So let's go for Neha. Yeah, Neha.
It's right, sir.
It's right. Are you
Type
sure?
2. Yeah.
Okay, so yes, absolutely, this is the right sentence. बहुत लोगों को लगा होगा पहला वाला right है ना, तो next वाला wrong होगा, देखना. Some people ऐसे ही डूब गए. Okay, let's go ahead. So that's the reason, if you follow your, formula, you will never be wrong. Okay, let's go for number 3. Okay, so for number 3, I'll go to Dharti. Dharti, would you like to speak? Your voice is not coming, Dharti. Yeah. Now,
Okay.
yeah. Tell me.
Yeah. That if I saved money during my initial professional career, I could live life more freely.
So what was the first verb? It is
saved. S-A-V-E-D.
Yeah. Absolutely right. It is saved. And the last one is live. L-I-V-E.
Live. L-I-V-E. Yes,
absolutely right. +1 for you.
Thank you, sir.
+1 for you. So everyone, you check +1. आप लोग का शक्ल ना, मतलब सही होने से भी same expression, गलत होने से भी same expression. There is no any expression basically. So neutral, मतलब खुशी से भी आप लोग खुश नहीं होते. मतलब दुख तो छोड़ ही दीजिए. इतना दुख है आपके लाइफ में, एक सेंटेंस, एक मार्क्स मिल रहा है, and you people are not celebrating that. मतलब मेरे को भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा whether you are getting the marks or not. Okay. Anyway, it is your life. I should not get into that. Okay, let's go ahead. The next sentence. If we all dash teachers, so let me ask Bindu. Bindu, unmute yourself. Tell me what is your answer.
If you all listen teachers grammar lesson more attentively, we could get better marks during the grammar quiz.
Absolutely, it talks about the capacity, so we will add could here. When it talks about, see, even if you say would, it is not wrong, but could is appropriate. And one very important thing, if you are writing both wrong, then it is -1. If even one is wrong, it is -1. Okay, so it's not that कि भाई एक right है तो आपने plus दे दिया. Okay, let's go ahead now. Okay, number 5. Fine, the sentence is this, and this time I would go to Shilpa. Shilpa, can you answer this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. If I practiced English conversation during my schooling days, I could become an effective communicator at present.
Okay, so first verb is
practiced.
ED है क्या उसमें? Past है कि क्या है?
ED, sir.
Okay, ED is there. So practiced English. Okay, that's wonderful. Very good. Wonderful. And it has become +1 for you. +1 for you.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Okay, please, I'm requesting, don't write answer in the chat box. We are all discussing here. Okay, नहीं अभी ठीक है, अभी तो आंसर लिख चुके हैं सब, so you can answer. Okay, so this say लगा बहुत जोर से लग गया. Okay, yes. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, Bharti, is this sentence right or wrong?
Sir, I not write, only right and wrong do.
Is it a right or not? Right or wrong?
Right sentence.
It is a right sentence. Okay, yes, Rakhi, it is a right or wrong?
Sir, wrong.
So we are getting first time two different answers. Okay, Nishu.
Sir, sentence is right, but I think according to part 2, it's a wrong.
See, right now we are focusing on type 2 only.
It's a wrong, sir.
अच्छा, तो type 2 के हिसाब से this sentence is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask Preeti. What do you think, Preeti? Is it a right sentence or wrong? As per type 2. No answer from Preeti.
I'm written right.
Yeah, Nisha Khurana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I think according to me, this is right sentence.
As per type 2. As per type 2, this sentence is wrong.
Yeah, thank you.
As
Yes,
per
sir.
type 2, this sentence is grammatically right, but as per type 2, it is wrong. We are following, I've been telling you for so long, because in the first sentence, there are two verbs, had and spent. There are two verbs in the first sentence.
And there should be one verb.
Yeah, and yeah, no. Yeah, there should be one verb. So right answer is, if you spend through credit cards during your marriage, you would save quite a good amount of money. This is the
Correct.
right
Okay.
sentence. So
Okay,
guys,
sir.
please do some minus and plus in your numbers. Okay, so negative -1. Okay. So when I ask for your final marks, you do the whole calculation and send me. Okay, let's go for number 7. Number 7 was this. Okay, number 7. So for number 7, I would go to Geeta Bakshi.
It is a right sentence, sir.
This is the right sentence. Very good. Yeah, Manisha, what do you think?
Better best.
Sir, it's a wrong sentence.
Again, there is a problem between right and wrong. Okay, let's see Sumana.
Sentence.
Yeah, Sumana?
It is a right sentence, sir.
Oh, again, it is right.
No, sir. No, sir. I
हाँ,
have.
अभी पता चल रहा है आपको right or wrong. इतना देर क्या कर रही थी आप?
Sir, it's a right sentence, sir.
हाँ तो ठीक है. Okay, Suman Soni. Please unmute yourself. सुमन जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. हाँ बोलिए.
This is wrong sentence, sir.
This is wrong sentence. Okay, let's see why it is wrong. Because it is a wrong sentence. Absolutely, it is a wrong sentence because there are two, not three verbs in the next sentence.
Yes.
I would have shown. There are three verbs in the next sentence. There should be two verbs in the next sentence.
Yes,
As
sir.
per type 2. As per type 2 -1. मतलब जो गलती किया है उसका -1. Okay, and +1 for people who have done correct. So right sentence is, if I had a better laptop, I could show audience better animations. So many times we understand, हाँ अब मेरे को समझ में आ गया, अब कोई गलती नहीं हो सकती. And again something happens terrible. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Yes, I think this is again a very simple thing. Okay, so for this, let's go to Manisha Kashit. Yeah, have you written this, Manisha?
Yes. If she got proper medical care, she could survive.
She could survive. Okay, so let's see the right answer. Yes, absolutely right. If she got proper medical care, she could survive. If she got proper medical care, she could survive. Very good sentence. Wonderful. Let's go for number 9. Okay, so let's go to Poonam Sharma. Yeah.
Sir, if she succumbed her strong emotions much before, she wouldn't relinquish to depression.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Momita.
If she relinquished her strong emotion much before, she would not succumb to depression.
वाह, पहला ऐसा हुआ, दूसरा वाला पूरा उल्टा. Okay, let's go for Khushbu. Yeah, Khushbu, what is your answer?
If she succumbed her strong emotions much before, she would not relinquish to depression.
Now I am succumbing to depression, you know. Okay, if people are making me confused every time, so I'm getting bewildered by your answer. Yeah, Rekha ji, what is your answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If she relinquishing her strong emotion much before she could not succumb to depression.
Okay. Okay. See the first word which will fit here, it is relinquished in past form.
Yes.
Relinquished, to give up. If she relinquished her strong emotions much before, she wouldn't succumb to depression. वो depression में नहीं जाती. Succumb मतलब और मतलब control नहीं उसका loss होता है, वो depression में नहीं जाती. She wouldn't succumb to depression. Okay, so this word we should use it. It's a wonderful word. Okay, so we are done. Okay, no, we are left with only one, and the last is this sentence is right or not. Let's go to Sujata. Sujata, is it a right sentence or wrong?
Wrong, sir.
Wrong sentence. अब देखना next जिसको मैं बोलूंगा वो बोलेगा right.
Sir, he wouldn't go through आएगा ना sir.
I don't know क्या होगा.
Sir, wrong, sir.
Okay, let's go to I go to Biplab Bhakto. Biplab, what have you written?
Yes, sir.
It is a right
sir, wrong,
or
sir, wrong sentence, sir. Wrong sentence. It would be go.
Go through.
Yes, Shivani
wrong,
Gupta.
Wrong sentence, sir.
Yes, Shivani Gupta.
The wrong sentence.
Okay, absolutely right. This is a wrong sentence. Because if यहाँ पे there are would have gone. अच्छा, if I got the right diagnosis, he wouldn't gone. So wouldn't go is the right answer. So wouldn't go through excruciating nights. Wouldn't go, not wouldn't gone. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
how
sir.
much is your number?
Sir, my number is 8.
8
by 9 is 8 by 10, sir.
8 by 10. Means after
Yes,
minus mark also you people are getting 8 and 9 marks.
Yes, one is sir wrong.
Okay, one
My
is
9
wrong.
number is sir wrong, sir.
Okay,
Minus
okay.
1. I got 8
okay.
sir, out of 10.
Okay,
Mine
that's
also, sir, 9 number was wrong.
okay. That's good. That's good. At least you understood. That is more important.
9 could not be here, sir.
Yeah, that's what 9 could not be here, but some people they did 9. How 9? अच्छा 1 minus अगर होता है तो 1 minus में कितना होगा फिर? 2 minus हो जाएगा.
हाँ सर, 8 होगा.
8.
8.
Yes, some people they have got 9 also.